Children, now let us continue the properties of operations on rational numbers. Now the property is associative property or associativity. Now let us check whether the addition is associative or not. So for any three numbers A, B, C, associative property of addition is A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. This is the associative property for addition. Now let us check this for the rational numbers. Now let us consider the three numbers in the place of A, B, C, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. These are the rational numbers. Now you take A plus B plus C. If you take this is A, this is B, this is C. Now you take A plus B plus C. A is here 1 by 2 plus B is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Now 1 by 2 keep it as it is plus. First to simplify the bracket. The LCM of 4 and 6 and the LCM of 4 and 6 is 2 2s are 2 3s are and the product of 2 into 2 into 3 is 12 here. And you know that 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3 plus 6 2s are 12, 1 2s are 2. So it is 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12. Then take the LCM of 2 and 12 is 12 only. So you take it is 12, 2 6 are 12, therefore it is 1 6 are 6 plus 5 is equals to, you will get 11 by 12. Consider this is first. Now you find this one. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, that is A is here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 comes under the bracket plus 1 by 6. Now you find the sum of 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 which is under the bracket. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4 and 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2 plus 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1 plus 1 by 6 it is. Then 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Now you find the LCM of 4 and 6. Again it is 12, you know. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12 and 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 and 6 2s are 12, 1 2s are 2. Again here you got 11 by 2, that is second. So from first and second, what will you get? That is 1 by 2, this one 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So you can conclude that for all A, B, C, for all rational numbers A, B, C, A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. And here addition is associative for rational numbers. Addition is associative for rational numbers means it is also associative for whole numbers and integers, because you know that all whole numbers and integers are rational numbers. Therefore you can conclude that addition is associative for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Now let us check the associativity for multiplication. So let us take the same numbers here. They are 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Now the associative property of multiplication is, you can write A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. That you have to check here. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. So you take the numbers to find A into B into C. Take the numbers 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 6, and that is equals to 1 by 2 into, now you simplify the bracket, that is 1 ones are 1, 1 by 24, and 1 by 2 into 1 by 24 is 1 by 48 it is. 24 twos are 48. Consider this is first. Again next you take A into B into C. That is A into B is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into C. So it is, the product is into C means C is here. C is 1 by 6. That is 1 by 8 it is. 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8 into 1 by 6. And the product of numerator is 1 ones are 1, 8 sixes are 48. So this is second. You got 1 by 48, 1 by 48. Therefore from first and second, what you can get here, A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Therefore, for all rational numbers A, B, C, you can conclude that A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. That is, multiplication is associative for rational numbers. As multiplication is associative for rational numbers, it is also associative for whole numbers, integers also. Therefore, multiplication is associative for all whole numbers, all integers and all rational numbers. Now let us consider the subtraction. Subtraction, that is, let us take the same numbers, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Now associative property of subtraction is A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Let us check whether it is possible or not. So you take first to find A minus B minus C. So A is 1 by 2 minus B minus C is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. That is 1 by 2 minus, here the LCM is 4 and 6 LCM is 12. So it is 4 3s are 12, 3 minus 6 2s are. So it is 1 2s are. So it becomes 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 is 1 by 12. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. Again the LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. And 2 6 are 12, 1 6 are 6. 6 minus 12 ones are 1 ones are. So you will get 6 minus 1 is 5 by 12. So let us consider this is first. Now you have to find A minus B minus C. To find A minus B minus C. So A is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Now first you simplify the bracket, that is the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, that you know, because 4 is in the table of 2, therefore the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, minus 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1, minus 1 by 6. So it is 2 minus 1 is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Again the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3, minus 6 2s are 12, 1 2s are 2. So it is 1 by 12. And you know that this is second. And you know that 5 by 12 is not equals to 1 by 12. 5 by 12 is not equals to 1 by 12. Therefore, you can say that it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 is not equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Means A minus B minus C is not equals to A minus B minus C. So here what you have taken, that is not equals to. So what you can conclude here? Therefore, subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Subtraction is not associative for rational number. So it is also not associative for whole numbers and integers. Therefore, as the subtraction is not associative for rational numbers, it is also not associative for whole numbers and integers. Next, division. Let us check whether division is associative or not. The associative property of division becomes A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B divided by C. So let us verify for the same numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Now to find A divided by B divided by C, that is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 6, that equals 1 by 2 divided by, and you first simplify the bracket, that is 1 by 4 into the reciprocal of 1 by 6 that you have to take, that is 6 by 1, is equals to 1 by 2 divided by, you can cancel here, 2 2s are 2 3s are, so the numerator becomes 1 3s are 3 and the denominator becomes 2 1s are 2. So it is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Next it becomes 1 by 2 into the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So 2 2 cancels. So you will get here 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Consider this is the first. Next you to find the RHS, to find A divided by B divided by C. So you take 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 divided by C. Simplify the bracket first. There 1 by 2 into it becomes the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Here C is 1 by 6, you write, divided by 1 by 6. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Divided by 1 by 6 it is. Next it becomes 2 by 1 into reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6 by 1. That is equals to 12 by 1, nothing but 12. This is second. See the first and second. You know that 1 by 3 is not equals to 12. 1 by 3 is not equals to 12. That is from first and second you can verify here. And 1 by 3 is not equals to 12 means, you know that A divided by B divided by C is not equals to A divided by B divided by C. Here you know that you can write this is not equals to. Therefore, you can say that division is also not associative for the rational numbers. Therefore, which operations are associative? Only addition and multiplication are associative for rational numbers, and the subtraction and division are not associative for rational number. Therefore, you can conclude that addition and multiplication are associative for natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, means for all rational numbers, and rational numbers, because you know that set of rational numbers includes all natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So as the property holds good for rational numbers, means the property also holds good for the remaining numbers, that is natural numbers and whole numbers, because here natural number, whole numbers and integers are also rational numbers. That is, for all rational numbers a, b, c, a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. A into b into c is equals to a into b into c. Next property is distributive property of multiplication over addition and distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. That is the distributive property, which is also termed as distributivity. So here you can write the distributive property for multiplication over addition, that is a into b plus c is equals to ab plus ac, and the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is a into b minus c is equals to ab minus ac. So let us verify whether the distributivity holds good or not for the rational numbers. So let us take one example here. Consider 3 rational numbers. So let us take 2 by 3, 5 by 2 and 1 by 5. Next here, the first property is distributive property of multiplication over addition, that we have to check a into b plus c is equals to ab plus ac or not. So consider the first one is a, second one is b, third one is c. Now to find the LHS, that is to find a into b plus c. A into b plus c. So here a is 2 by 3, b is 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5. And the LCM of 2 and 5 is here 2 by 3. LCM of 5 by 2, LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, because they are co-prime numbers. Their product becomes the LCM here. And 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 5 2s are 1 2s are 2. So it is 2 by 3 into 27 by 10. You know that 3 1s are 3 9s are. And also 2 1s are 2 5s are. And the product is 1 into 9 by 1 into 5. In the numerator 1 into 9, in the denominator 1 into 5. That is equals to 9 by 5. Consider this is first. So here you got the LHS. Next, to find AB plus AC. To find AB plus AC, that is A is here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into B. B is 5 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into C is 1 by 5. C is 1 by 5. Next, the product of these two is 2 5s are 2 into 5 by 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 by 3 into 5. So it becomes 10 by 6 it is, plus it is 2 1s are 2, 3 into 5 is 15. Next, the LCM of 6 and 15. LCM of 6 and 15 you take here. LCM of 6 and 15. So it is 2 3s are 15 as it is, you write, and 3 1s are 3 5s are, and the LCM is 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. It is 30, and you know that 6 5s are 30, 10 5s are 50, and 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4. Then it is 54 by 30. 54 by 30, you know that here it is 6 9s are 6 5s are, that is equals to 9 by 5. So here second, and observe the first result and second result, here both are same. That is first is equals to second, means first is what? First is A into B plus C. That is the LHS here. A into B plus C. Second is AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Therefore, you can say that here in terms of the number you can write what it is, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into the next number B is 5 by 2 and 1 by 5. See, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 is equals to 2 by 3 into 5 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 2 by 3 into, that is A into B plus C is equals to AB plus C. This is A, B plus C, AB plus BC. That is, you can conclude that distributive property of multiplication over addition, that is, multiplication is distributive over addition. Multiplication is distributive over addition. So you write multiplication is distributive over addition. Second one is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, that is, A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC or not. So you take the same numbers, 2 by 3, 5 by 2 and 1 by 5. Now here to find the LHS, that is to find A into B minus C. To find the LHS A into B minus C, let us write A is here 2 by 3, B is 5 by 2 minus 1 by 5. That is 2 by 3 into LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, and 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, minus 5 2s are 1 2s are, that is 2. Then you take 2 by 3 into, it is 25 minus 2 is 23 by 10 it is. Then you can cancel 2 1s are 2 5s are. The product is 1 into 23 by 3 into 5. That is equals to 23 by 15. Consider this is first. Then you to find RHS AB minus AC. To find AB minus AC, A is here 2 by 3 into B is 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. That is equals to 2 cancels here. Only 1 into 5 by 3 into 1 minus, here directly you can multiply, that is 2 into 1 by 3 into 5. So it is 5 by 3 minus 2 by 15. Then the LCM of 3 and 15 is 15 only, because in the table of 3 there is 15. 3 5 is 15. So I write 3 5 is 15, 5 5 is 25. Minus 15 ones are 15, 2 ones are 2. So again here 25 minus 2 is 23 by 15. See, this is second. And see the result first, that is 23 by 15, and second also 23 by 15. So you can write that from first and second, you write A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. In terms of the numbers, you can write 2 by 3 into 5 by 2 minus 1 by 5. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to 2 by 3 into 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. So you can conclude that multiplication is distributive over subtraction also. That is, A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. Multiplication is distributive over subtraction. That is for all rational numbers. It means that is for all natural numbers and also for integers. Now here you know that distributive property of multiplication over addition and over subtraction. In both the cases, you got the result that multiplication is distributive over addition and also over subtraction.